If you're new here, oh my gosh, no. Buenos Jornada and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you're new here. So I thought it'd be fun to do a Black Friday haul. This is just like some brands I've never tried out before. I got some Elcie, some Black Moon cosmetics, some jewelry, some brooches. So a little bit of everything in this video other than clothing. So let's go ahead and hop into this. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I do upload here at least 3 to 4 times a week. So I'd love to have you. Let's go ahead and get into these. All right, so first brand I picked up, I'm not going to go in any particular order because I just threw it all in a box. I finally picked up some Elcie cosmetics, which I was like super excited about. I actually have the lipstick on my lips right now. And it's a really nice, smooth like formula. I only picked up one because I was like, okay, like I really like their glosses. So I picked up a lot of their like lip finals. I'm still waiting on some of them to get here, but I'll swatch the one I did get. But this is the Remarkable lipstick in Bouquet. So it looked yellowy on the website, but I don't feel like it comes off yellowy on my lips, which if you guys know me, I love my yellows, so you will see a lot of those in here. But yeah, I really like the formula. The only thing is you're gonna have to reapply it a lot because it is such a smooth. It's like a peachy pink, like I would say peachy nude more than anything else. But I really, really like it. I'm now like, hopefully they have another sale so I can get more things. I didn't pick up anything other than their lip products though this time around. I was just like, don't go too crazy, you know? Sometimes I feel like when something's on sale, I'm just like, it's all on sale. I need everything. So this was the lip vinyl I was talking about. Some people will love this and some people won't. I like thicker glosses just because like these especially, they're a lot like the Too Faced, I think they're called lip vinyls as well, but super thick where you don't even need like a lip color underneath, you know? And I like that the stopper is like it's a very good stopper. Okay, Elcie, I see you. I appreciate it. But I am really liking these, and that's why I ordered 3 more. But I ordered them from Ulta because they were having the sale on there too, and I was like, just in case I don't like any shades, because that's the hardest part of going online. But this is the shade Paige, but I'm really liking these. I love the packaging. So far, I'm like impressed with Elcie Cosmetics, and I'm like, maybe I'll get more makeup. I feel like a boob's gonna pop out of this bralette, so I'm like really nervous because like my whole setup is different, and I'm like, hopefully it's fine. I'll just cover it with some hair. So the only actual, like, other than lip products, the only other makeup I got was from, like, Dulce Colors. I got the Dulce Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I'm really hoping I picked the right shade. I was, like, super worried about it, and I wish, like, I understand, like, Ulta carries Dulce Colors. I don't know why they don't carry the foundations in the store, but I got shade 118. So if you guys want to see a try-on of this, and then I act like I'm gonna, like, of course I'm going to do a try on, regardless if you guys want to see it or not, because I want to know. But I also got the concealer as well. So I am excited to try out both of these. I've heard really good things. Not so much about the concealer though. Not a lot of people have been talking about that, but especially the foundation I'm excited for. I almost got the sponge and I was like, you don't need the sponge. But they had a good deal. Like they had 40% off the whole site. So I also got a few of the gel liners. I got Set the Tone Cream Matte Eyeliner. I got this shade Sleepover. I have that in my waterline. I don't feel like you can really see, but I feel like it's a pretty unique color. And I actually really like these. They don't dry out super fast, which is why I was like, okay, I'll get a few more. But I like the formula. But it's almost like it almost looks like a lipstick. I just wanted to show you guys the shade. But I really like it. I think it's going to be more of like a shade I put on when I don't have anything else on my lid because it kind of just blended in with this eye look today. And then I also got the shade Take a Hike, which I'm very excited about. It's like a camel brown type color. I'm trying to figure out how, oh no, I just put that on the carpet, which is why I keep wanting to get a white carpet in here. And I'm like, what are you thinking? Like, be serious right now. But that is the other liner. So Take a Hike is just like that. I'm excited about this color too. I think I'll get a lot of use for it. Sometimes like during the day, I just want something a little softer than black eyeliner. So I'm excited about those. And then the last thing I got from Dulce Colors was a Block Party shadow. Last year I got the Encore one and I really liked it. So I was like, okay, I've been wanting, you guys know I love my pinks. I will say, I was expecting a little bit more because I love the Encore shade. But this Shall We Dance. It's pretty. It's, you know I love my rose golds, and I feel like it's okay. Like even today I used it, but then I ended up going with the Metalist eyeshadow from Touch and Soul, I think. But yeah, I just didn't really pop off like my lid like I wanted it to. But it's still really pretty. So maybe it'll be like, I don't know. I'm just saying I thought I like Encore better. Okay? Still beautiful formula though. All right, next up I got some Sigma brushes. So I needed like a little, like I was saying, I didn't want to do like, I love my Sonia G, and then I kind of only tried Morphe. So I wanted something kind of in between. I still want to try Zoeva out, but this time I went with Sigma. So I got a few tiny blending brushes. Like I need, like for my hooded lids, I needed little brushes. So I got not quite a few, I got like 3. They were 30% off, so not awful, not amazing. And it did come with like this free brush as well. I believe the site was like 30% off. I don't ever really use stippling brushes though, so I gotta figure this out, like the duo fiber brushes. But this is the F55 small duo fiber, so I gotta figure out what to do with it. But I am excited. And then I picked up a few more. So all I picked up pretty much was just blending brushes that were a little bit smaller than like your typical crease brush. So I'm excited to test out some Sigma brushes. They do feel soft though. Like they don't feel bad. I know they're synthetic, but they feel okay. We'll see. All right, and then I picked up some Black Moon Cosmetics, which I've never tried. My only thing is like, the formula, I wore one yesterday, and it's a very nice formula. Like, I really, really like it. You guys can see how pale this nude looks in the tube, and this is in the shade Mourning. I was really kind of sad that when I put it on my lips, it dries down so much darker that I was like, this no longer looks like a nude. It's like a deep nude, and I like my brighter nudes. So formula-wise, I really, really like these, but color-wise, I'm like, look how much darker this is starting to dry, like especially on my lips. It's a deeper nude than what I usually go for. So I'm a little bit sad about that. Like the shade description, just doesn't really go on the same way it did on my lips. But the packaging's so cute. Like look at this Black Moon packaging. It's kind of like a, it's got like that goth vibe. And if you know me, this is the shade that I was like, yes, I'm getting this. This is the shade Cider, which is like that pumpkin-y tone. I will say the only thing that freaks me out about this is on the box it says as is. And then on the packaging right here it says as is. And I'm like, does that mean I don't like the other 2 shades I got didn't come with a sticker like this? So I'm a little bit like, as is meaning like, is it used or something? I don't know. I just think that's odd. But I'm very excited about this shade. I have not tried it on. But yeah, the sticker thing was like super weird to me. Oh, it is the perfect baby poo color that I love that a lot of people don't. But I know there's a few of you out there that love these kinds of shades. But there it is right there. I can't wait to like actually put that on. It's almost, yeah, it's that perfect mustardy. Yes. And then I thought I would mention I did get this from Sephora. I had talked about getting it in a haul a while ago, but this is the Kat Von D shade in Marigold. They're $8 right now, so I was like, okay, I need to get it. Definitely 2 ends of the spectrum. Like I feel like this Cider shade is drying down more on the brownie mustardy side, whereas like this one is more of like that yellow gold tone. So I'm excited about both my yellow poo shades. I did almost buy from like Batty Bee lashes, because you guys know I always like that was on my brands to try this year, and they had 30% off for Cyber Monday. But then I just kept thinking, like, considering I have so many Lily lashes that I haven't used yet, I just felt like I couldn't buy it. Like I literally made myself put on lashes today because I was just like, you have to start using your lash collection, and not keep thinking you're gonna waste it. So that and their shipping is expensive. Like Batty Bee shipping is not that cheap, and I live in the US, you know what I mean? And then lastly, no, not lastly, but I did pick up a few colors from Alamar Cosmetics. If you guys want a full lip swatch video, let me know. I did order a few Christian Audette, and then I have some more lip vinyls coming in from Elcie Cosmetics. So I know it's different than just doing swatches, but I don't know if anyone's interested in those anymore. Like maybe if I get one comment that's like, I'm interested, but if I get more than like 5, then I'll do one. But if not, I mean, there's no point of drying out my lips, you know? I want to do what you guys want to see. So Alamar, I got the color Dulce, which I am very excited about. So that's right there. And then I also got the shade Chula. So both very pinky, but both are shades that I mean, you guys can see I have a theme going on here. I love my pinky, peachy, just nudes. So they all kind of look pretty similar. Like this one definitely reminds me of Paige, which is, there's this one and then there's the Paige one. But this is more like a thicker gloss, where I feel like the Paige one, it's definitely a lip vinyl, if that makes sense. All right, I got a few pairs of lashes from Flutter Lashes, mostly because they're like, if you spend $14, you get free shipping in the US, and they always have really good deals. Like these are kitty lashes. What I have on right now, I think is Selfie from Flutter Lashes, but I just feel like they're always affordable. They always have good deals. So I think they were like 40% off, something crazy like that, but then also on their sale ones. So like these are the style Kitty. I don't know why I don't like the name though. I'm like Kitty. I'm just like, ugh. But I believe these were like $3 plus the sale. So I ordered like 2 pairs of those. I did order their new collection though, which is like the airplane collection, like Turbulence. And I don't even know where I put them right now, but they are very extreme. And I'm like, whoa. Like, I don't know that, like, I feel like I should be able to fly with the amount of lashes those are. So I'm a little nervous to wear those ones, but I was like, okay, if you start going through the cheaper ones, then you can buy more expensive lashes, but not until then. And I'm also trying out the Amazon. I got the callus glue. So I'm hoping that maybe like this is the glue that sticks. Like I know I did a review on the Huda one. She's not working out great for me in the long term though. Like I do like that whole, like you can stick it back on, but at the same time, not when it's still lifting. So I'm hoping this callus one solves my issues and doesn't break me out. This is the first time I've tried it, so we'll see. But so far, I'm not itchy. I've been getting so many comments on like, you must be super high. And I'm just sitting here like, do you know how much stuff I have going on around me? Like, that's not even a possibility while I'm filming. Like, I just spent a lot of money on this camera. Like, I will never do anything well altered to this camera. Oh, and then lastly, I wanted to talk to you guys about jewelry. So, I love Irie collection jewelry. They have a really cute jewelry. Usually it is what I'm wearing, like the pendants I wear are from them. Other than my Italy necklace, that's my papa got me that. But I love that it's so bright. It's like gold filled, but it's super bright jewelry, which I like. And the quality is good. I mean, the only thing I will say is like, I think they're like a one-man type show. Okay, there we go. It's like, I think they sent me the wrong one. Or like there's very few like employees, because sometimes when I email, they don't email back right away. So just know that. But I've always gotten my order. Like it's just, you know, sometimes I have to be like, hey, what's going on? But I did get these pretty fast. Like I got them and they shipped within 4 days. You guys can just see like they're always super bright pieces. Like sometimes you get gold and it's like dull gold. However, never pay full price for these. They always go on sale. They always have a good sale. So I would always just check back and see what you can get, especially like New Year's. I'm sure they always have like at least 30 to 40% off. So definitely don't pay full price because they're not like the cheapest things, but they're not like super expensive. But like, look how cute these little square thingies are. I'm like, what is this? Rectangles. But they have earrings. That's where I get my barrettes from. But a lot of my jewelry is from them. Like it's kept up well. I've had it for a while, so I really like it. All the layering pendants, like that's where I prefer to get mine from that I can afford. But yeah, I did get some stuff from Gymshark, and then Alpha Elite, which they ripped a pair of my leggings. Like, they came with a hole in them, so I'm really disappointed about that. And then Buff Bunny. So if you guys want to see a haul, I'm happy to do it. I just didn't know if it would be worth it because it's not like a lot of this stuff is now in stock anymore. So it's not like I'm trying it on and then you can go buy it. You know what I mean? So that's kind of where I'm at. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What did you guys pick up on Black Friday? And what do you guys want me to use? What do you want me to do with this stuff? But other than put it on my face, obviously. I'm like, what do you want me to do with this stuff? And then I'm like, it's all lip shades. Other than the foundation and concealer for the most part. So that is it for me, though. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Also, this fly is joining us today. Ah! Go away. Stop.